my spiritual baddies, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys another spirituality video today. So we're going to be talking about the moon ritual. So this can be done for either a full moon or a new moon. I wanted to go ahead and throw this up for you guys because the full moon is on Sunday. So you can definitely do any of these things that interest you on Sunday for the full moon. So before we jump into that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. You guys know, like I said in my other video, the YouTube algorithm is crazy. So if you guys are not liking the videos and subscribing to the channel, you're not gonna be notified when I post new videos. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe, and I will link my spirituality video playlist in the description box down below. I have several videos. But maybe like 5 or so videos on that playlist so far. So I will put that down below in case you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So for the full moon routine, well, I have full moon, but like I said, it can be either full moon or new moon. So I've been on my journey for about 6 months, and I do like to do something for the full moon and the new moon. And so this is basically a list of everything that I do. I don't always do all of these things on that day. However, I do like to do some of them. So what we have here first is going to be picking something specific to work on. Now, you don't have to do this. However, if you are just starting out your journey, then you are probably working on your chakras. If you're not, then you should. And I will link my Spirituality 101 video in the description box down below so that you guys can see, take a chakra quiz. I have a link in my description box so you guys can see which ones you should be working on. So if you pick a chakra or pick something specific to work on, like maybe you really want to manifest money, so that's going to be something that you're going to work on. Totally up to you. So let's say, for example, you're working on your heart chakra. Maybe you'll pick that for the full moon, and then maybe once you've decided that, you can make your theme green because the heart chakra is green. So maybe you want to do candle magic, you buy green candles, or maybe you decide that you want to color something or do some type of craft or something, and you do that in green, or maybe you write with a green pen when you're doing your journaling, etc. So totally up to you. These are just ideas that I have. So the first thing I normally like to do is take a spiritual bath. You guys can do this at the very end of the day if it's up to you, but I actually kind of like doing it first thing in the morning just to kind of like get refreshed and get started. So I normally I clean up my home. I try to the day before, especially the bathroom, but just gotta make sure, you take the trash out and, the tub is nice and clean. You don't have any extra trash in the bathroom. It smells good and all that, just good vibes in there because you're gonna be in there for a minute when you do your spiritual bath. So I normally start off in the morning by just kind of saging my home, and then I will make a boil, which so I have a video of a spiritual bath. However, that video did not contain this boil because I just made it like for the new moon, which was like last week or like 2 weeks ago or something, for my bath. And so if you guys want that recipe, I can do a video for that. But basically you just put all the ingredients in it on top of the stove, and then you let it simmer, and then you carry it around your house, and you can kind of like bless your home with it, and then you can pour it into your spiritual bath. So I did that, and then of course I put my flowers and everything in, and I normally do like some type of meditation. And then after that, you can do maybe some yoga if that interests you. You can color if that interests you. You can do some type of craft project. You can do journaling. You can also, this is not for everyone, but if you want to fast, that will be a great time because the energy is just so high, and it's just really great and that can be any type of fast. It can be from food, it can be from social media, it can be from both. It can be from whatever you feel like you want to give up for these next 24 hours or something like that, or 48 or 72, however long you want to do it. But fasting is definitely a great idea. And of course, saging your home if you choose to do that as well. What else do I have on here? Oh, manifestation and setting intentions and candle magic. So as I mentioned in my other video, if you guys are interested in me doing a candle magic video, please let me know down below. I will be getting some new candles this week because the full moon is Sunday. So I can do that video for you guys if you're interested in that. But you can do some candle magic, you can set intentions, you can do a gratitude list. That will be great. You can sit outside. Sitting outside is always really nice. Outside during the day, just for grounding purposes, you know, just feeling your feet in the grass, feeling the sun on your skin. And of course, sitting out at night with the moon, because it is a full moon, or it's a new moon, and so you can do that as well. You can also make moon water if you guys are interested in that. You can just fill up something, like I would say like a container, like a jar or something with water, and you can sit it out and let it charge under the moonlight. And you should charge your crystals as well. So if you're someone who's interested in crystals, you have a lot around your home, definitely want to take those after they've been saged and just go ahead and put them in the windowsill. You can fit them outside if you have space for that and you're okay, you feel like they're safe and no one's going to steal them, or you know, no one's going to get to them, animals, etc. So you can sit them outside as well. But you definitely want to charge your crystals under the moonlight, just so that they're at their absolute full potential when you get ready to use them. And then of course you can also put your candle magic on your altar. You can talk to your spirit guides and everything there. So I think that's pretty much all. I don't know why I just threw my hands up, but I think I'm done. I think this is pretty much everything that I have on my list that I have done or that I will be doing. And the full moon or the new moon is really for me about self-care. So it's kind of like just doing what you enjoy and kind of moving in slow motion, I feel like, on that day. Taking time for yourself, whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is that makes you happy. So everything that I wanted to talk about in this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, of course, leave everything in the comment section down below. I will definitely get back to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And also, if you are new to my channel, you may not be aware that I do have a loungewear store, and I'm having a pretty big sale on there right now. So I will link my store in the description box down below in case you guys are interested in checking that out. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.